In this video, I will share with you an interesting Commodore video commercial. It's the point-of-sale tape. Amiga 500 computer commercial, and yes, an original VHS tape from Commodore. Hi everyone, my name is Louis and I would like to welcome you to the Vintage Computers Museums channel where we explore all the bits of computer history. So, about the point-of-sale tape. I can only tell you how I got it, but unfortunately I couldn't find more information about it. I really hope somebody can tell us more about this tape in the comments section. I received this tape and a couple more other Amiga product tapes that I will share with you in the future videos from a gentleman who used to work at Commodore Canada as an engineer. What a lucky fellow. It was bundled with lots of custom Amiga parts. Unfortunately, he didn't have any information about the origin of these tapes. So, the question is, if this was created inside Commodore or by third-party company, what year was this released? And if it was only used in the specific Commodore stores? Again, I hope somebody will have more info for us, as I'm very curious to find out more about these tapes. Luckily, the gentleman saved lots of goodies before they ended up in the garbage bin when Commodore Canada closed. He only asked to be paid for a few valuable larger items, and the rest of it was all donated to us. All the tapes I received are in good condition. 2 of 5 tapes looks like they never been used, like the point-of-sale tape. And I was able to save all of them into the digital format to preserve them for the future. Just a quick info on what I use to capture and restore this video. So for capturing, I use one of the better VCRs. It's made by JVC with an S-video output, built-in TBC, time-based corrector, then run the signal through an old, very old, new-tech TBC time-based corrector. It's from a mid-80s. And finally capture the video with a measurable USB capture all-in-one. For the capturing software, I used the popular Virtual Dub. The video was captured in a lossless format of the best quality. The video was then deinterlaced using Avisynth and finally upscaled, denoised using Topaz Lab Video Enhanced AI. I spent lots of hours researching the best solution and also tested different setups until I settled down on previously mentioned configuration. This video is one of the shorter ones. It's only 3 minutes and 28 seconds. But enough of talking. Let's play the video.
Unagi. Hot dog.
Believe it or not, all the amazing things you just saw can be done on the Commodore Amiga 500 computer.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, you know what to do. Again, I hope some viewers will share with us more information about the point-of-sale tape. And finally, what do you think? What system, hardware, and software were used for making the point-of-sale video? Post your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.